Hello, friends. Very good afternoon. This is Animesh Verma here once again, and welcome you all to the Delivery Excellence channel. Dear folks, today I wanted to discuss few very important factors regarding the delivery aspects which we have in terms of the entire Agile model. So today, the entire phase is based on the agility, how fast the changes are happening, how the changes are getting adapted by the vendors as well as the client, the latest technologies in the market, the AI aspects of the delivery, and how well you get equipped with all the tools as well as the technical aspects of using that tools, or if you want to get it integrated with your existing application, how well you can do it. So I think nowadays the delivery is little bit changed, and since I started this entire forum of delivery excellence based on the back to basics, because the major aspects of having back to basics was to get into the groove of the realistic based delivery phases. Because even if you have all the things with the latest technologies in the market, getting all the databases, Databricks, as well as entire AWS or Azure or whatever things which you are using it up, whatever tools, whatever technologies which you are using, that has to be aligned with the latest technologies and the latest trends in the market, right? So, but still, the risk is always there, right? And the quality aspects, because my main focus in the quality aspects, the quality aspects get decreases because the reason is you don't get a time even to get that a robust form of delivery to the client, because many changes are happening at a very fast pace. Suppose example, I wanted to take some case studies here, that I want to build a website which is based on the e-commerce. And nowadays e-commerce is very, it has become a household factors, whether you go for Amazon or whether you go for any of, nowadays you have this Blinkit or Instamart. All these are e-commerce sites, right? So what you do, you have a very quick time delivery, right? You order everything, you get it paid for all those particular goods which you want to buy, and immediately it says that within 15 minutes or 20 minutes delivery used to get it. Now, having said that, what is the quality of those particular goods? I'm not complaining about that, but sometime there was a time when you had a choice. You go into the supermarket, right, and you buy as per your choice, right? Whether it is Spencer or Sainsbury or Asda or any of this big outlets. So you have a privilege to go and have your own source of groceries which you want to purchase, or if you want to purchase anything in terms of day-to-day activities. But if you are using an application, that application gets changed because the market is trending, the challenges are more, the competition has become very high, right? You can very well see that there are too many things are happening. Someone is buying, someone is merging one platform to another because of XYZ reasons, right? So what is the reason behind that? The reason is that the durability and the quality of, not in terms of the product which we are buying, but also in terms of the deliverable aspects, because delivery is not done by any robot, right? It is done by a human being. Although you are making the changes, you are using robotics, you are using artificial intelligence in every sort of design and technological aspects, but who are going to deliver it? They are the human beings, they are not robots, right? In 10 minutes if you want to get it delivered, there are too many things there in terms of traffic and all those things. These are the challenges, right? These are the challenges. Now my only thing is that and sometime or the other, you see that you have ordered something on a very urgent basis, but due to XYZ reasons, you don't get exactly what you have ordered, right? Or some damage is already there. Then who is going to be responsible for it? You simply say that the delivery person is getting responsible. That's not the fair way of analyzing anybody. The reason is there are a lot of things get changed, right? Even if suppose in terms of the technological aspects, right? That the hidden risk is, do you really want to deliver those things in a short interval of time? Some of the particular companies, they used to simply say, sir, that you do not have this particular option which you have selected, so we are returning it back. Many times you order something from Swiggy, that dish is not available with them, or anyway XYZ in the restaurant is closed or something happens, right? So they say that this dish is not available as of now, though that dish is available on their site. It's not. Sometime you see that if that restaurant is closed or the dish is not available, you find it in gray, right? Gray color, right? You are not. This is unavailable. But if it is available, you have ordered and you are waiting, right? But after 10-15 minutes, when it has to be delivered to you, all of a sudden you get a call that this, because of XYZ reason, this cannot be delivered to you, or they deliver to you doorsteps and say that, sir, this dish was not available, so we have on behalf of it, we are replacing you. Now, many times it does, many times does not, because who's responsible? Delivery boy or delivery person is not responsible for it. Directly not responsible for it, because the reason is you are seeing that dish but you are not able to deliver. I'm just giving you a very quick example of few deliverables because of the e-commerce, right? The site has to be revisited by them. Technological aspects has to be very ready every time and then. The database has to be refreshed immediately, right? At the same time, the payment model has to be developed in such a way that if that is any issues are happening, many times they do it, that if they do not have anything available, then they used to say that we are reverting back your money. But if it is not done on time, you need to have repetitive sort of activities. The issue is very simple. If it is not available on your site, then just make some changes, right? There the quality stands for. There you need to have a better quality aspects, because it is happening at a very fast pace, and in today's era many things happens in a very fast pace of the feedback, right? Anybody can give any feedback. If you are using in a banking and financial services, if you are working in the e-commerce services or any of the domain, right? If you are not finding itself right at the beginning that something is wrong, right, then the things get repeated at the time. Even I have covered this in my other sessions also. The case study is very simple, that someone wants to make the changes. Now too many changes if you are having for the particular sprints which you are need to do, or the user story which you have to take up, or there are in the sprint planning or the PI planning, you are not able to clear exactly what are the particular things which you can do, right? And you see that there is a risk that this sprint is not going to be completed within these things, and there are too many changes happening. You have to stop there yourself. You have to take a tough call that if you do this, then there will be a leakage which can impact the entire set of business at the other end, right? Sometime when we change too many things on a regular interval of time, you have to be very logical what you are doing and what was exactly needed. So thank you so much. This was an extempo sort of face-to-face thing which I wanted to discuss with you all. Comment me in the comment box what are the things which you need to discuss. Any interview like questions you have related to any of the delivery service delivery model, please ask me. I will be very happy to answer you all. And be very happy in your life, and whatever you do per day, do everything well in advance, do the homework very clearly, and follow the particular instinct which you wanted to do, and try to have some secret maintained only to you. Secret in terms, if you know something which can really be an asset for the company as well as for the project, deliver it only during where it is required. Okay, because timing is very important. I hope you will understand when it does, right? I'm telling you few of the things, few of the tips which are very important as per the experience is concerned. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I wish you all the very good luck in your delivery excellence format. Keep the quality going on, keep yourself updating with the latest technology, ask as much questions relevant to the particular delivery which you want to do, and have a very clear communication within all the stakeholders. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now. See you very soon. Thank you.